As we try to put the pandemic in the rearview mirror, there's a bump in the road to navigate. The highly contagious Delta variant is in Hampton Roads. Some health experts are urging fully vaccinated people to wear masks and social distance again. This morning, in an exclusive interview, Governor Northam told me the Commonwealth is headed in the right direction, and the best way to stay that course is for everyone to roll up their sleeves. It's been a long road since March of 2020 when states competed for precious PPE and COVID-19 tests were tough to come by. But now in the summer of 2021, vaccine numbers are up, the state's positivity rate is below 2%, and masks are mostly off. Even with concerning news of variants, Governor Northam told me he's largely encouraged.
For those that have been vaccinated, David, I think that they can return to, as near normal of lives as possible. But those that haven't, they need to be careful because the virus is still out there.
Northam shied away from grading the state's overall performance during the pandemic, but said it did bring into focus inequities in the state's healthcare system. Some of those gaps closed by Medicaid expansion. COVID-19 also pointed out the need for a significant investment in broadband expansion to keep schools connected with students.
It's been my goal all along, but certainly it's been brought into better focus with the pandemic that all Virginians need access to broadband.
Northam acknowledged again the frustrations of those who have hit the wall in trying to get their unemployment benefits, slightly changing his tone.
I would encourage those that are in the appeals process to be patient and persistent, and we'll get to them just as soon as we can.
Northam says it's important to remember the 11,000 lives lost to COVID-19 and the thousands more who battled the virus and still have lingering effects. COVID-19 is the new pre-existing condition, and the Commonwealth must be prepared to deal with it long term.
We need to make sure that as we move forward, we can take care of their needs in Virginia, and we will.
Northam says Virginia went into the pandemic in a strong position and came out even stronger. Credit is due, he says, to so many dedicated health experts and volunteers. But to complete the journey, Northam says everyone needs to get vaccinated.
This has brought out so many good people, and I have been so impressed as I have traveled across Virginia, especially the testing sites, the vaccine sites, all the people that have volunteered, our medical corps, just have come together to be part of the solution.
Governor Northam is also a physician. I asked him when his term is up in 6 months, what are his plans? He told me he and his wife plan to move back to Hampton Roads, where he will rejoin his practice as a pediatric neurologist.